Hi guys, here's Belsee. Today I will introduce this template 25-inch IPS touchscreen spatial for Audi A4 S4 A5 29 to 15 years. Okay, this dash kit will come with head unit together. And screws. Here's the metal. And plug and play harness, small speaker. Okay. It built in the 4G modem and support 4G, their SD card slot and 4G slot. Okay, the unit come with two USB cable and also include AUX cable. Okay, let me show head unit. This logo Audi A4. Okay, you can choose music, Bluetooth settings, and the dashboard. You can change the color dashboard. Any color you can adjust this panel. Okay, back to home, and let me choose the all apps. The all apps built-in Play Store maps and Z-Link 5 for Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. It's Android Auto and show Apple CarPlay. Okay. Let me check the settings. This maps system. And system info, you can check the head unit RAM 6GB and the storage 128GB. Android 11 system. Okay. Let me check the factory password 1314. Okay, please choose the correct vehicle A4 and this settings and the car display. Please choose correct car display and then reboot the head unit. It will save the settings. Okay. All apps are here. Let me check the Android setting. It's built in the Wi-Fi. Okay, connect the Wi-Fi and support hotspot from your phone and 4G. Snapdragon 662 chip. Android 11. Okay. Built-in Wi-Fi. Let me check the website. Our website, all apps. This is Amazon.com. Let me visit our website belsee.com, belsee.com. If you have any more questions, you can visit our website to contact to us. We will reply to you. And we are shipping very fast delivery. Okay, this is our website. Okay, let me back to home. First, let me show this. No single. You need to connect the backup camera. Okay. Bluetooth. Please enable Bluetooth from your phone. Okay, click search button. Connect this pin code. Put the 40 1 2. Let me try again. One, two, three, 4. Click OK. Okay, connected. Contacts list you can review below. It will connect the Android Auto automatically. This is Android Auto. It can, without any wire, it's wireless. It does not work in our country, but it can work in your country like USA, UK, other world. Okay. Let me try the Bluetooth. You can make phone call. It works with free phone call. Okay, you can stream music from your phone. You can control it by steering controls. Okay, it also works with wireless Apple CarPlay and the link app. Wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto. Okay, let me show the music. There are 2 USB cables. And this USB driver. Connect one of USB. Music, you can choose music. Choose USB. Change the picture. This DSP amplifier you can check. This you can find the DSP by all apps. and this DSP amplifier. Okay, a video. This PRP function is supposed to work with 4K video. This is 4K video. Okay, that's all. If you have any more questions, please contact to us. This is our website. Okay, that's all. Thank you. Why is have not color? If you choose it have the color, you can check. Okay, thank you.